It is humanly not possible to screen all these stocks that are on the tradingview.com and understand where do we have a breakouts, or what are the stocks that are moving in a particular direction. For the same reason, we have a custom stock screener which is developed by the in-house team, and this will act as a bridge between tradingview.com and us. Good morning guys, my name is Rakesh and I'm from Team Nifty Analysis, and I'll walk you through our custom screener today. Before you continue watching this video, please ensure that you completely understand Bhumi indicator, and a link is pasted in the description below. Screener's job is to screen the signals on TradingView and bring them here on this website. Actually, we are serving everything on a platter. We don't need everything that is served in a platter. We share it, right? So similarly, you don't trade everything that's on the screener. We pick and choose what we want to trade. Remember, Bhumi or the screener is not a call providing service. It gives you a market direction. It gives you levels. It gives you breakouts. And based on one's equity, risk appetite, and risk to reward ratio, they trade. If you are a new user, you need to click on the new user tab and fill up this form and register for the first time. However, this process is going to be automated, and once you subscribe to Bhumi indicator, Trade My Signal account credentials will be created and sent to you via an email. If I'm an existing subscriber, I click on this tab and I use my login, mobile number and the password, and I click login. If your account is active, you will see the screen. Otherwise, it will say that your account is inactive and you need to renew your account. Now let me walk you through the components of the screener. On the left side, you have a title which says Nifty Analysis Bhumi Stock Screener, and in the middle it says hello. It has a welcome message and a my account section which has profile and logout. And on the extreme right, you have auto refresh button, which you can turn it on, right, or you can turn it off by clicking on the same button. And you also see a last update message which says 7th November 2020 at 6:01 a.m. This means that that's the timestamp where we have received the last message from the screener. I'll walk you through how to customize the screener now. I click on my account, click on profile, and in the pop-up window you have an overview which gives you basic information. You can click on password to change your password. You need to click on time zone to ensure that you pick and choose your time zone right. This will help you in populating the signals with respect to your time zone. Now I click on alerts and I click on set alerts, and you can choose your exchange that you have access to and choose a symbol, or you can just leave it blank to pick all the symbols. You can choose time frame or leave it to ensure that you pick all the time frames and the action. So there are various actions we'll talk about in a moment here. And you click on set alerts. The moment you set an alert, you will see it in the list here. If you want to delete any alert, you can click on delete and click OK. So that will remove the alert. Currently, alerts are working only in Microsoft Edge, and we are working towards other browsers as well. The last option that we have is auto refresh. The current time frame is set to 1 minute, and you can choose a new time frame. Let's assume 3 minutes. If I want the screen to refresh every 3 minutes, and I click on update, and it is updated successfully. The moment I close this, it will refresh, and you will see auto refresh every 3 minutes has been updated here. Now I'll walk you through the filters. You have exchange. When you click on it, it will show you the list of exchanges that you have access to, the symbols in that particular exchange, the actions. The BD sell is the breakdown sell of the key level. The breakout buy is again a breakout of the key level buy, and you have a downtrend, which means a red star. Uptrend is a green star. A sell is a GAN breakout sell, and a buy is the GAN breakout buy. So the buy and the sell are the labels, the uptrend and the downtrend are the stars, the breakout buy and breakdown sell are the triangles. you have another drop down time frame. You have 3 minutes and 1 hour based on the exchange, and there's a price filter, and you can choose in the calendar drop down if you would like to filter the stocks based on the specific start date and end date. Now there is a purple only option here for you to choose stocks that are only purple candles. Let's say NSE exchange on let's say 6th the Friday, are there any purple candles? I click on search and it shows me only the purple candles. Now the best part is coming here. Once you click on set favorites and click on search, you will see a button popping up here. Here it is. By default it will give you the favorite underscore the date and the timestamp. I click on the edit option and I'll say purple bars. Alright, so it's purple bars, and I step out. Right, let me rename it. Alright, and I step out and the button stays there. Now I need not choose the filter option every now and then. I click on this button. Now this button will filter the purple candles only after this particular date. So this makes it easy. Now you have 10 entries here. You can choose up to 100 entries and it will show you the list of all the 100 purple bars that we have. So only 66, that means we had 33 purple candles for the day on the Nifty 50 stocks and the indices. Red purple candles are highlighted with the red background, and the green purple candles are highlighted in the green background. So this is for the convenience. From this show drop down, you can choose the number of alerts that you want to see, and even if you refresh the page, this number of alerts will stay on the page. If I choose 50, let's say 25 alerts, even I refresh the page, this is going to stay on the 25 alerts. So this is the new addition that we have made. Let me walk you through how to set the favorites one more time. Before that, let me just change the option here. From purple bars, I want to change it to purple candles. And the moment I change the name, I have to just step out and it is renamed. And if it's highlighted in yellow, it means that this particular favorite has been selected. So this particular favorite with this combination, even if you log out and log back in, or even if you do a refresh on the screen, it just stays there. Now let's set a favorite for breakdown and breakout alerts. I'll leave the exchange and symbol, and in the drop down I choose breakdown, sell and breakout buy, and all the time frames. I'll not choose anything else. Make sure that this is unchecked, purple only, and I just click on search without checking favorites. Let's see what happens. It just bought all the breakdowns and breakouts, but there is no button here. So I want to add it as a favorite so that I need not select this filter each and every time. I click on search and that pulls up this favorite which I just set with the date and timestamp. I click on edit and I would rename this as breakout and breakdown, and I just step out. Alright, now when I click on purple candles, it will pull up all the purple candles for me, and when I click on breakout and breakdowns, it pulls up all the breakouts and breakdowns. Now I can choose it to show me only the latest, maybe just 10, and I leave it here. Even if I refresh the screen, it just pulls up the latest 10 symbols. So this makes it easy for you to trade. A lot of our subscribers use this screener on a mobile phone. If you look at this, more than half of the space has been eaten by these filters, the headers and the other buttons. So for their convenience, we have added few buttons here. So if you look at this button, it will hide the filters and the header section, and it will leave only with the new filter buttons here. And you can also choose to hide them for more space. So now you have the entire space only for the alerts. Alright, I click on it again to unhide each of them. This makes it more convenient. Thank you so much guys for all the love that you have for the Bhumi and our Team Nifty analysis. Being a market research firm, we have an edge to be at the top of the ever-changing markets, and having a great team makes it possible to bring our research to you in the form of these indicators. You can reach us on the WhatsApp support number for any further questions. Signing off for now. Have a great day.